did I get glue down here? Whose idea was it to film this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it should be a quick one for you guys today. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I apply false lashes. I decided to do this video because it's one of the most questions I pretty much get about doing makeup is either how to apply false eyelashes or doing like wing liner. And it's taken me so long to make this video because I still make mistakes putting them on all the time. So I'm still learning, but I figured I would go ahead and just do a quick tutorial with you guys since I put them on all the time, and yeah, I mess up, but they get on there. So I wanted to do just a quick video, nothing in between, just something you guys could watch for a couple minutes, and that's all. So thanks so much for stopping by to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me, all my social media sites below, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I think we did the weight there. Now some people like to use a tool to just pop it on, but I like to have a little bit more control. So I like to hold it with just my 2 fingers, and I will hold it right in the middle. Let's watch, don't screw it up. Alright, I always like to pop it on straight down the middle, and I kind of use this finger to steady myself. And then I grab my tool. The tricky part is getting this corner to stick. So I like to hold it down when I do that corner. Hold it down for a minute. Kind of just push. And then I'll do the outside edges. And then I'll just kind of push on the top to make sure it sits. Now, this is the tricky part. Leave it alone. Don't mess with it. Don't squeeze it. Let your glue dry. Leave it alone, okay? I have that problem all the damn time because I'm a big control freak and I want to like squeeze it, touch it, fix it, but I always end up screwing it up. So, leave it alone. I just need like a little thing in my brow here. Felt like I needed to fix. I concealed my brows a little differently today and I'm not the biggest fan. I think I'll go back to what I was doing. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do it again on the second lash, okay? I'll do the same thing. Up here. I think these lashes have had their days. In case you guys didn't know, you can reuse lashes. After you've already worn them once, you just gotta peel off that old glue, make sure they're really clean so you don't get eye infections. And voila, I literally wear my lashes probably 5 times at least. For real though, this look was not easy. Mostly because I feel like glitter is so hard to work with. Like, it doesn't behave as well as like eyeshadow. It just goes wherever it wants to go. I don't care about your black liner where you need it nice and thick and dark and black. But I gave it a shot and I think it came out pretty well. I have a lot of lightage on me, so you can't really see the good of it, but screw it. I just like to try, I like to attempt hard things just to better myself, you know? My little baby hairs are all falling. Sorry. I'm just not one of those girls who could have like cute tiny shirts on, hair down while you get ready. Like, bruh, I gotta be comfortable. You're lucky I got earrings on, okay? It's usually like leggings or sweats, big t-shirt, hair up, loud music. That's how I have to get ready. So if you're looking for a real YouTube page, people who are like real, this is how it's done, you're in the right place. No, I'm just kidding. They're just really good to the point where they can look really good and still do really good makeup. Told y'all this is the worst part about putting on eyelashes, is waiting for this crap to dry. But if you don't, it'll screw up. You will screw up. Alright, let's drop.
It's going for a landing.
I'm kind of weird. I like to put my little finger up here to steady myself. Ah. I even rest this thing on my nose. This one's not going so hot. Alright. We're gonna try that again. This one might need some reinforcement glue. Alright, that one was a little tough. But let's leave it alone. You see how I'm messing with it? I'm doing exactly what I told y'all not to do. Leave it alone because I'm making it worse. This one's nice and done, nice and dry, so I just like to make sure I don't have any glue on this, on my little tool, because then it'll pull it off. And now I'm just squeezing. Last little thing I like to do is just go over it a little bit more with your black liner. I either use my NYX liquid liner, or I have this skinny liquid black liner back from when I had like Ipsy 10 years ago. No, but for real. And that's it. And if I feel like I do need a little bit of reinforcement glue, I actually do this if I know I'm going to be out all day long, and that duo glue, it doesn't maintain wind. If my eyes water, they get unstuck, they move. So sometimes I'll go over it with the green duo lash glue, and it's only because it's on a brush, so I can just swipe it right on. I'm not really going anywhere special today though. I'm still currently house hunting, so I have another house to look at today. I'm hoping and this is it because I'm over it. This is so like my own little test I like to do to see how they're glued down. I'll flip this corner, make sure nothing's moving. Flip the middle. And we're good. Because if it, if it's unglued, it'll kind of lift up right there when I'm kind of pushing it down. That's like my little test. Nothing special. This one actually stayed on pretty well for me messing it up. And I don't do any mascara afterwards. I just let it ride how it is. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. There's really nothing to it but to do it. I would just definitely say keep practicing. You're going to make mistakes all the time. Just don't give up. Keep doing it. They'll get on there and then you'll never be able to do your makeup without them. Like me. But thanks so much for stopping by and spending a couple minutes with me today on this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me, and I'll see you guys next time.